know where to detach this one, the brush, so you can clean it. That means you will have dirt and build-up in it eventually, which is not an ideal thing, especially if you have lots of styling products in your hair, or like me, have some kind of hair condition, which is not good. The hygienic part is not the best in this one, with the thought of the price you pay for it. I've seen those that you can actually detach this one. So, but yeah, I bought it. It's have 4 years warranty on it, so that's a good thing though. So just save the receipt from this website. So if something go broke, you can replace it or get a new one. And this one came with it, and it's in a different languages, so you know how to use it. As you can see. Oh, sorry. It's a good product, yes. Though it's getting very hot. So this one should not be used in dry hair. This is something you use just once a week maybe, or sometimes, because otherwise you might damage your hair. It has cool on it, as you can see here, and it has like medium and warm, really hot. This barrel getting to be very hot. So they shall only be used in wet hair, not in dry hair, ever, or you will damage your hair. It's for styling and well, fixing your hair after you have washed it. It's like a brush and a hair styler for, well, all two in one, you say it. Instead of using the normal way you do it with a round brush and everything. So hair dryer and a round brush in same anything. But be very wary when you use it. What I do is I use the medium, as I have fine hair. And when my hair is starting to feel almost hot, it is dry and almost hot, I use the cool shot on it. You have to do that to not break your hair. So be very aware when you use this. Otherwise, it's a good product, but you can get these ones as dupes for, I've seen about now in Swedish, I live in Sweden, so you can get this one for like 200 Swedish, that's like 20 pounds as dupes. It's the same product, it's just not the brand is here. So what you're paying for is the brand. Funny, I saw a girl that used these dupes and they are even, she said, they are even better. So yeah, but this was fun to test out, as well, it's on all over the net and TikTok, and I have had lots of round brushes and stuff during my youth till today, and they are, if you have a long lob, they are ideal for getting really good volume in it before you putting in your, maybe you have hair Velcro rollers, you heat up the hair with this one and put in your Velcro rollers. So that is what I use it for when I wash my hair every week.
Capelli è meglio asciugare col freddo, perché abbatti i capelli come me, se vuole tenere fresco. Io non consiglio asciugare i capelli come me, e luego lasciare semi secchi e finire i pezzi con questi qua della voglia. Se non volete far dormire i capelli, mettete un po' di protezione, spray con di protezione sui capelli, oppure su questo impostate prima l'aria fredda, poi velocissimo, e l'ultimo passaggio solo caldo, un attimo solo caldo, non tanto, così da immediato i capelli. Io mi sento bene i miei capelli, non mi piace.
It's the